Hey guys, so I got a package, and yeah, it's a repackaged mail. So let me just open it. And sorry for the background noises. Okay. So this is the package. It's quite big. I forgot what I bought. But yeah. Oh my god, is this extras? Or what? Oh my god. She gave me lots of extras. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So I got this Sammy donut. It is so squishy. Oh my god. I do not think these are extras. I don't know. Okay. Then she gave me this Sammy heart macaroon. I do not know if it's an extra or something, but it's defected. But it doesn't really matter. It has a crack there. Yeah. My god, it's so soft. And then she gave me this My Melody Keiko. So squishy. This is obviously the fake one. And then there's this bun. Smells like chocolate. I think this is the Daiso bun. I'm not really sure. But yeah. And then there's this white marshmallow bun. I'll just take it out of the package. Okay. It's quite soft. So yeah. That is the package. Thanks for watching. Bye.